Macam mana kita nak pack our stuff? There are 2 types of bag that you can choose. Number 1 is luggage. Number 2 is backpack. Macam mana you nak tahu mana satu yang lebih sesuai untuk you? Easy. It depends on destination and it depends on what kind of traveller are you. If you want to go hiking, definitely you have to go for backpack. You tak boleh pilih luggage. But if you are going for some leisure trip, maybe to the city, you can always go for luggage because it is more convenient. And the most basic rule in packing is do not overpack. I know you guys are excited, you guys want to bring everything, semua tudung warna matching, warna tu, warna ni nak matching kan. But trust me, you don't want to overpack. So make sure you plan properly what you want to wear, what you want to use, or what you don't want to use. Just don't bring everything. Don't bring your closet, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, comment below.